Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 HRV Advance finished in crystal red. Now of course this colour option is £950 from factory. However, it does make the car look as truly astounding. Going around the car, you'll notice you have full LED headlights. You also get LED fog lights. You've then got 4 front parking sensors and these brilliant 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do get on these alloys. Round to the rear, you've got 4 rear parking sensors. You've also got a nice little reversing camera up at the top just there. You've got a full electric opening tailgate as well, which has got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor. As you can see, fully electric tailgate just there. Moving into the rear wheel just here now, as you can see. Moving into the back, you've got part leather, part cloth interior. As you can see there, all is black with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round and full keyless entry. Jumping in the front of the car now, as you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've then got your hill descent and your drive select, of which you have Econ, Normal and Sports. You've then got your CVT gearbox with your 2 charge ports in the middle. Of course, the right hand side, this is for your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the left is just solely to charge. You've then got 2 front heated seats and dual climate control for the 2 front passengers. You've then got your 9.5-inch display in the middle with your satellite navigation. Bluetooth hands-free, as you can see there, and all of your various audio sources just there. Of course, smartphone connection, that is for your Apple CarPlay and your Android Auto. Moving over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls on the left and your cruise control and speed limiter on the right with your heated steering wheel. We've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 9,113 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this HRV, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.